The diagram below shows a down cell for the manufacture of sodium. We are going to study it. Downs cell. It is used in the manufacture of sodium. So here we have our anode. What material is the anode made of? Give a reason why that material is used. So the anode is made up of carbon, and because it is inert and therefore it will not react with chlorine. So it will not react with chlorine because it is inert. What precaution is taken to prevent chlorine and sodium from recombining? So the anode is surrounded by wire mesh to prevent chlorine from coming into contact with hot sodium with hot sodium metal. Write an ionic equation for the reaction in which chlorine gas is formed. So chlorine loses electrons to form chlorine gas. Chlorine loses electrons to form chlorine gas. In the Downs process, a certain salt is added to lower the melting point of sodium chloride from about 800 to about 600 degrees Celsius. Name that salt which is added, and the salt which is added is magnesium chloride. We add magnesium chloride to lower the melting point of sodium chloride from 800 to 600 degrees Celsius. State why it is necessary to lower the temperature. To lower the amount of energy, we lower the temperature to lower the amount of energy required to maintain the electrolyte in the molten state, hence lower. In other words, we can say we lower the production cost of sodium, lower the production cost. Explain why aqueous sodium chloride is not suitable as an electrolyte for the manufacture of sodium in the Downs process. So if it is aqueous, hydrogen would be preferentially discharged instead of sodium in the cathode, and therefore not sodium ions, since sodium ions requires a higher potential. So the sodium formed will also react explosively with water. Remember, sodium reacts explosively with water. It is a high reactive metal. Sodium metal reacts with air to form two oxides. Give the formula of the two oxides. So we have sodium oxide and sodium peroxide. Sodium oxide and sodium peroxide. State two uses of sodium. State two uses of sodium. The yellow glow of sodium is used in the making of street lights or street lamps. Sodium chloride is used as food additives. It is used in the manufacture of the table salt. Again, it is used as a reducing agent in the extraction of titanium from its ore.